G'day everyone, Brad from Shift. We've got an interesting one today. We thought we would show you guys. We've got a Territory with a no start concern. After our diagnostics, we ended up coming to the conclusion that we had an issue inside the fuel tank, in the fuel pump area. So we'll show you guys what we found, because it's quite interesting. Just here is a little float that actually indicates to the vehicle if it's got fuel or it is out of fuel. If it reads that it's out of fuel, the vehicle actually won't start. So what's happened here is the float's actually broken away, as you can see, sort of just in there, and it's actually triggering the car to basically see that it's got no fuel. And these particular vehicles have a no start safety on them, so that the injectors don't get run dry with no fuel. So we'll rectify that, get a new pump in it, and we should be on our way.